So glad I didn't pass on this cloud couch because honestly, best naps ever. Plush, soft and cozy, easy to clean. Imagine yourself curled up in this one with the kiddos. Once fall hits, so cozy. Metal framing so it's really sturdy, 9 feet. And the best part is that the ottomans are movable, so you can almost make it into a whole bed and have a sleepover in the living room. So if you've been hesitant, honestly, so worth the price. I got it in the beige, but it does come in different colors. I'm linking it below.